Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Brominating Tablets. What is Leisure Time Brominating Tablets? The low-odor, low-dust tabs fit all floaters to help your hot tub water stay sanitized and ready to use. Leisure Time Tabs Bromine Tablets help clean your hot tub or pool with the effectiveness of chlorine, without the chlorine odor. An ideal pool chemical to keep with your spa care supplies throughout the season. These bromine tablets for hot tubs will let you relax in your spa over and over. Product benefits. Dantabrom chemistry provides 10% more active sanitizer. Keeps water clean, clear, and odor-free. Follow included directions for water application. Fits all floaters. Works with bromine sanitizing spa systems. Easy to dose tablets. Advanced low-odor, low-dust formulation. This water treatment chemical allows you to have the clean effectiveness of chlorine without the unpleasant odor. Advanced low-dust formulation. Dantabrom chemistry provides 10% more active sanitizer. Usage directions. Using a suitable feeder adjusted according to the manufacturer's directions, add this product to maintain an active bromine concentration of 2 to 4 parts per million in residential spas and 3 to 6 parts per million in commercial spas. Use a reliable test kit to monitor bromine regularly. This product's usage will typically vary from 0.015 to 0.10 pound for every 300 gallons of spa water to maintain the recommended bromine concentration range. The presence of organic debris, high bather use, and other factors may require a higher dosage. Dosage: 0.015 to 0.1 pounds per 300 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.